Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing really, really well. So now we're just going to go on some trades at the moment. You can see a few days ago or even a few weeks ago, we asked our students to sell coffee. This is just our call on 12th of November. And then we asked our students to short coffee again on, let me see, when is it? On coffee, which is probably here as well just a few weeks ago, probably the week before, calling for a market crash short these stocks. Let's look at this. But anyway, so we recommend students to short some trades here. This is on our weekly call. Not sure if you're there. Can you see the coffee there? Yeah, the coffee is there.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah,
just
yeah.
in the 13 days ago as well. And then our story, we asked our students, go to my Instagram, I was asked our students to short coffee again, which is just where are we? This is just me after speaking to a group, of millionaires. They are all millionaires, by the way, big millionaires.
Uh-huh.
Where are we? So yeah, we just asked our students to where's the short coffee? Yeah, you can short coffee right now. 2 hours ago, we asked our students to short coffee. You can see, yeah. And then
Yeah,
yeah, we asked our students to short coffee. In our group, we also asked them, this is the group. Where's the group? Yeah, this is the group. There's a link. Let me see if I can join this group. But anyway, this is kind of the group. So you can see, I want to show you what happened in the group. How do I show you? What happened in the group. Okay, can't really see. But anyway, so yeah, you see in the group, basically we ask our student to short coffee scenes here. So this is where it is at the moment. So yeah, we've been shorting it here. You can see the money is coming in. We make a
yeah.
£1,000, £1,000, £1,000, £8,000, just like that, just in a
Wow.
few, yeah, just in a few minutes, a few hours time. A lot of our students even make way more than me as well. They send me their screenshot, they send me the testimonies. Yeah.
Yeah.
That they're very, very happy that it is. So a lot of our supreme, apprentice and students. So cool. So let's get straight into it right now. I want you to place the trade actually. It's a bit late for you to place the trade, but let's do the place the trade because I think the coffee trade is gonna come all the way to bottom. The reason why I get into
Oh,
coffee because Trump actually says that, coffee is time to come down. So he said that he's gonna reduce tariffs on coffee. So Trump
hmm.
reduce tariffs on coffee. So he said
Yeah.
that Trump pledges to cut coffee as US food prices saw 2 hours ago, 13 hours ago, lower tariffs
Yeah.
on coffee. So if you lower the tariffs on coffee, the coffee should get cheaper. Okay, so coffee should get
Oh, okay.
cheaper. So it's supposed to come down because coffee is quite expensive at the moment. So this is the first line you
Mm.
will get to usually, and then this is the second line. So
Oh,
do you know how
wow.
to
Yeah.
place the trade? Like, do you have money on your IG platform? Where,
Um,
where do you have money?
no, no, on my IG platform, it's just a demo, but I will put some more money into, the other platform, 212.
Hmm.
I can put it in there and you can just show me how to, last time you said it showed me to do it. What type of, how much money are you putting into this coffee trading? You
Um,
told me to put I put 500 on my pending trade for
That's good.
the
You can do another
Vanguard.
500 on this. Yeah. The more you put, the more money
Oh,
you make, basically.
okay. Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Do another 500 on that and then just click short and yeah, and let the money flow. Yeah.
Oh, so just yeah. So can I do it? So after I finish speaking to you, can I just go into 212 and just find that it's in there as well, the
Yeah,
coffee.
you have to use trading 212 on a CFD platform. So I kind of
PM.
have to guide you there. Yeah. Take a
Okay.
screenshot. It's
Okay.
better to do it on a screenshot so I can see your screen 212 and I can guide
Oh,
you
okay.
that way.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. So
So
basically you're saying put £500 on and do short and it'll start do the trade straight away, won't it?
yeah.
Literally.
You have to click
Okay.
sell and then ask you what's the position you want. Do any position
Yeah.
that you want. One position, two position, zero, the smallest one they allow, or £100, £200, £500, whatever they give. And then just click
Yeah.
short, and then you just see money coming in like that.
So these positions, so when I've put trades on before on forex trading, it's exactly the money that it didn't do. They don't do position. What is actually position? What do the positions mean? What are they? Are they
Okay.
how much money you're putting in?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So let's go into that right now. So let's go to trading 212. Let's see what platform are you going to use? Because I want to use the same platform that.
Trading 212.
Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah, because you
Do
said
you
that
have an IG
they don't
platform? Do you have an IG
they
platform?
don't I've got the IG platform, but
You
I
got a
remember
live one?
when
Do
we
you have a live one?
yeah, I've got a
Okay.
live one and a
Do it on
demo
here
one.
then.
But
Do it on here if you
but
got this.
then did you not say that they charge commission? That's why you went
It's
with
fine.
two
It's
on
fine.
two.
It doesn't. It's
Oh,
just
okay,
similar. Yeah. So I think the
okay.
minimum you can do here is, yeah, you can put a 500 pound on here.
And
And
that
total.
position is one.
Sorry?
What position is that then? Sorry.
You can do position 0.01 or 0.05. Yeah. I would
What's
say
that
the more
actually
money you
mean?
make, the more money you put, the more money you make, basically. I put
Oh, okay.
I put 50,000 in it.
Okay. Is that it? Okay. So when you put the position, it'll tell you how much money you're going to put in at the bottom. Is that how it works?
Yeah, it's margin. It asks you how much money you kind of require. So if you put 0.05, it tells you kind of how much margin is required.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But I'm not using
Okay.
all my money. You can see the free funds is still very much available. So I only put a few. Like I put like 5K, a little bit there only. So to make
Yeah.
account money. Yeah, it's not that
Okay.
I have money where I have millions, millions of pounds. So, but that doesn't relevant to a lot of people. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just want to show people that you can start with small. So this is just a few thousand pounds only. This account. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So where are you going now?
Now I'm just going, clicking onto my work computer and switching it off for a bit. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not home.
That's good. So yeah, that's what I recommend you to do to set it up. Yeah, to
Yeah.
set it up
Yeah.
your training, and then let me know once you set it up. At least let the trade run a little bit. Yeah,
Okay. Do you prefer for people to put the money on the 212 or the
IG to IG for this trade. Use
IG?
it's easier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because on IG I did the demo account and I bought a good about by April, May, I think I bought oh my God, what's that stock exchange? Robinhood.
Mm.
I'm in £68,000 now, on the demo. I
Wow.
wish it was my real account.
Really, really
Really?
good. Yeah, a lot of our students make even way more than that on the real accounts as well. So you can see, when you do it properly, you print money like
Yeah,
that. You print money like that
yeah, yeah.
when you do it
I
properly.
know. So basically,
You want to
so
do it now?
when you
I'll
do,
wait for you. Do you want to do it?
you want me to do it now. Um,
Or you want to do it
I'm
later?
gonna have. Do you know what? I've just got to sort out some work stuff. What I'll do, let me put some money into my IG
Yeah,
trading,
yeah. Just do a
and then what I'll
500 pound
do
and
is
then yeah, and then click short. If you have any questions, just take a screenshot on that. And
I
then
will. What I'll do is what I'll do. I'll start putting the money in. What I'll ask you is once I'm doing it, on WhatsApp, I'll screenshot everything, and
mm,
then I'll tell you what I'm doing and if it's right. Yeah,
okay, that
would that
sounds
be
really
easier?
good. Yeah,
Yeah.
that sounds really, really good.
Okay, that's fine. What I was going to say is, so I want to obviously learn how to do a lot more shorting. How is there anything on your what's the name? The courses. There's a shorting.
Okay, let me
Um,
teach you how to do shorting right now, okay? So that you understand.
okay,
So a lot of people,
yeah,
the word shorting scared them. Okay, let me tell you. So usually we always buy. Can you see? We have been always buying. Yeah, because you're on the apprenticeship training, I'm gonna guide you step by step. Yeah.
yeah,
Even
yeah, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
in this training, even complete beginner can do really well. So you just have to
Okay,
ask. If you don't ask, we never know. So
no, no.
but in the training it actually shows you as well. But anyway, so you click buy means you are buying. They
Mm-hmm.
always ask you
Yeah.
what size you want. So you can just do any size. So the margin here, you just make sure you can fit the margin. Okay, that's first part. Now,
Okay.
people will be like, what should I put for long stop and limit? At this moment in time, you don't need to do any of that. Don't get confused.
Yeah.
What number should I put for stop? What number should I put for limit? Don't worry about that. Just click the button.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is designed to confuse you. So if you want to short, you literally click sell, and that's about it. You click sell and you click stop, you click limit, and then that's about it. And you call it the day. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to
Yeah.
just remove stop limit and you just click place limit and then you call it the day like that. What is more
Okay.
powerful, though, what is more interesting is to do a pending order. This is what I recommend
Yeah.
you do actually. I recommend you do a pending order on this trade. If you want to get on this trade, do a pending order. I'm going to show you how to do it now so you can watch the
Okay.
recording after. So I like to do a pending order when there's a spike in volume. Okay. So that means
Okay.
it's more
Yeah.
likely to be a resistance. So I'm going to put a pending order, click order, and then put size 0.05 or whatever you want. If anyone you are not my students, put a bigger size so you can make even more money to pay for the course. Anyway, so the sell
Okay.
price level you can gonna put like Um, Here, for example, as I said, this is a big spike, so let's make it 386, okay?
Yeah.
386. Well, why 386? Because this is a big spike. It looks like if it goes up here, then it get triggered, then I can get into my price. So I click place
Oh,
order.
okay.
Place order. So you can see there's an order going on here. Can you see? Order
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
on. So you'll be like, oh, how much money would I make? How much money would I lose? So you can adjust based on your order. So my order is here. It says GDC. I can click it, stop. I click up. So if I lose, I'm going to lose £200. This is my stop loss because if
Oh, okay.
the enter is here, stop, you can all the way up here. You
Oh,
can
yeah.
click
Yeah.
it and drag it. And then what about your target profit? I think Trump is probably going to call this at least here 250. So I'm going to make around 200, around 900. Well, how much it says? Around £900 as well, or it can come all the way down here. It's also acceptable. Yeah, 29. So, but the first target should be around 360 there. So that's what
Okay.
happened. I'm going to show you one more time how what I do it so you can see. If you don't like it, click and cancel. So
No, no.
go to your orders. It says cancel. Let's just cancel this. Okay. Let's do
Yeah.
it one more time. Click sell. Remember, for those who are watching, you can start with very, very small amount. You can start with £250. You doesn't need to start with
Yeah.
big amount. Or even you start with big amount. This is not big amount. This is just money I have in the bank, but I'm not using all.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me do it again one more time. So let's say you want to sell something and you were a little bit late. You'll be like, what price should I sell? Do the same thing. You kind of see the peak of volume here. So it looks like this
Mm.
is more likely gonna go up there, and then so let's do it one more time. So it's now 386, 385. So I'm gonna click sell, click order first, click sell. Size, put any size. Look at how much money you have here. Okay, how much money you want to make here. If you're happy with £200, you put it. If you're not happy with £200, then change the number. But anyway,
Yeah.
so price level, I want it to be around 186 because the big spike of volume is here. So I was saying that if it comes up there, it might come back up again. So 386. That's about it. And then I click place the order.
Okay.
Okay, it's too far. Just put a 30 there. Can you see? So the order is placed. GTC means good till cancel. That's where the order is. And then what you do, you want to that's it. And then we'll be like, oh, how much money would I make? You want to eyeball it. So let's eyeball it a little bit. So click GTC. You see that if it goes against you, this will be the stop loss, you will lose around 193. It says at the bottom here. You can't see it properly, but it says there. Yeah. 184. Yeah, can you see it? 184?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
you buy, oh, how much limit would I make? Click it, the limit, and go all the way down. You will make around, it says here, 132. Yeah, 132. And that's fine. Just that's what happened at 132, just right, £131.
Mm.
If you think this size is good, then you continue. If it is not, you can increase your size a little bit. I personally think it's gonna come all the way to here, at least, or here.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
so
okay.
I just make it a very, very easy and assumption. Okay, let me just actually put the pending order. Yeah, so I will be tracking it through the volume. As soon as I see the volume that is so high, if it goes up higher and there's a big spike of volume, I might just click the sell button and click the short the trade
Oh,
straight
okay.
because now there's
Yeah.
not much volume going on. Makes sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Boom. Awesome. So give it a try. You have a recording on that. Give it a try and then do it and then show me because you're on the apprenticeship training. I'm going to be handhold you through each and every step of the way. Okay?
Okay then. Yeah, that's fine.
Like,
Yeah.
like how I handhold you to help you to get back.
Oh, no, thank you, Raven. I do appreciate that you do want to help people. And like you say, you've been there, seen it and done it. You got the t-shirt, ain't you?
I got the what?
Got the t-shirt. Been there, seen it, done it, got the t-shirt. You know what people, you know what your family's gone through, you know what people are going through nowadays. And honestly, it's actually quite scary. And you think you want to get older and you just want to be chilling out. You don't want to be doing anything, worrying
Mm,
anymore.
mm.
And it, so what I want to do is sit here, click buttons, and say, yeah, okay, what you want, Dan? I'll tell my son, how much money do you want? And it, but
Exactly.
no, I will. What I'll do, I'll put that the shorting trade on now, and I'll even see if I can do a pending one. And then what I'll do is I'll get back to you.
Awesome. Yeah, take a screenshot and get back
Yeah,
to me. All right, I'll wait for you. Yeah.
I I
Awesome.
will. I will.
So how do you
All
feel,
right.
Jack?
Oh, you know what? You always make me feel so positive and not so scared. And I wish I'd known you years ago because all the time I've done that many trading with people, it's all gone down, all gone down. And I know you're really legit, or and all I want to know is I just want my headspace to know. what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and just want to be able to just sit there. I mean, because I look at all your Instagram people. There was an older man there, and he goes, he put about £2 on it and made thousands. I said, how the hell did he do that? Dude? And it,
Exactly. Mm.
and it,
How do you feel
so
about
yeah, I feel good. I feel like, yeah, and all the people that I can see that you show, they're all making good money. And there was a woman that she said she couldn't afford to do too much, and she's making 5,000 every month.
that?
I said,
Exactly.
that's
Every
really
week.
good. That's
Yeah.
yeah, and I think that's lovely. Even if I made 2,000, I'd be happy with it. All I want to do is next year. I don't want to be worrying about how I'm going to afford to pay for my son's wedding. He could want to get married in Greece, in Athens. I ain't going to be cheap. And I'm not saying that we haven't got the money. I'm just saying that I have made big mistakes on my stupid scams, and I don't want to be doing that ever again.
Mm.
And
100%.
it,
100%.
yeah.
Cool.